Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell to all. Guys, we've been getting really hit hard in the grocery store and at the gas pumps. Most of our items have doubled, and some things have even tripled at the grocery store. I want to show you ways to save money simply by using your phone and coupons. So in this video, I'll be using coupons and rebate apps to show you how to make the most out of your money. All you need to do is watch these videos, either using your laptop or your phone on YouTube. Also, there is a printable breakdown in the description box. Please either print this off and take it to the store with you or pull it up on your phone. That way you can see all my savings in a written format. All right, guys, let's get started. The first deal we have is on this 9 Elements dish spray. These are $5.99, but we have a digital coupon that's a very high value digital coupon for $5 off on the Kroger app. So clip that coupon and you can use it up to 5 times. So these are usually $6.49. Coming down to $5.99 using that $5 digital coupon makes them 99 cents each, and this can be done up to 5 times. The next deal is on this Kraft macaroni and cheese. You're going to pick up 4 of these at $1.25 each. That's going to be a total of $5. There's a $1 digital coupon on the Kroger app, bringing these down to $4 or $1 per box of Kraft macaroni and cheese. So pretty great deal on the macaroni. The next deal is on the Kellogg's Apple Jacks. I've gotten this deal several times this week at CVS. The IBOTTA rebate keeps resetting, so I keep getting more. These are $2.99 each. There's a dollar digital on the app that can be done up to 5 times, and then that will bring your total down to $1.99. Then you have a 50-cent IBOTTA rebate that can be done up to 5 times as well, making this Kellogg's cereal just $1.49 each. Now, the same exact deal works on the Kellogg's Fruit Loops. It is $2.99. There is a dollar digital on the app that can be done up to 5 times, and then you have an IBOTTA rebate for 50 cents that can be done up to 5 times, making each box of Kellogg's Fruit Loops $1.49. The great thing about this is you can also do this on the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes. Same deal, but my store was all out of the Frosted Flakes. The very next thing that you guys are going to be picking up are these red gold tomato love. I've gotten these before. I like them a lot. They are on sale 10 for 10. I think they're usually $1.25, but they're 10 for 10. And then if you submit to the IBOTTA app, you'll get back the dollar for that. It makes this a total freebie on the red gold. So it's $1 in the store. Submit to IBOTTA for $1. Makes it a total freebie. So I'm loving that one. Now that can be done only one time. The next is going to be on the Wishbone salad dressing. These are $2.49 each. There's a 50-cent digital coupon on the Kroger app that can be done up to 5 times. This is a 5 times deal. So if you submit that, well, don't submit, but if you clip that Kroger digital coupon for 50 cents, you'll get each bottle of the salad dressing just $1.99 each. And they have the ranch, and Thousand Island Italian, all that. So $1.99 for those. The next deal is going to be on the Simple Truth organic broth. These are usually $1.99. There's a sale for 3 of them for $5, but there is a digital on the app that's going to bring it down to $1.17. So the digital is for 50 cents off. So it would be $1.67 each. A 50-cent digital makes these organic broths just $1.17 each. This can be done up to 5 times. I thought this was a great deal on these. The next is going to be on this trolley sour bursting crawlers. These are $1.89 each. Now there is a 50-cent IBOTTA, and there's also a 50-cent Kroger cashback After the 50-cent Ibotta and the 50-cent Kroger cashback, it's going to make these 89 cents each. And this can be done up to 5 times on these. So I love this. I'm going to put this in my treasure box in my classroom. 89 cents for this bag of trolley gummies. Now, the next thing that I picked up, this is one of the Kroger weekly deals. These are the Kettle brand chips. They're pretty big bag of chips. They're usually $4.49. They're on sale for $3.99, but there is a weekly digital deal that makes them just $2.47 each. Now, there's not like a 50-cent coupon or a dollar coupon. You just clipped this and it makes the price $2.47 each. And this can be done up to 5 times. But be careful with these. Make sure that you pick up 5 bags in that one transaction if you want that coupon for all 5. The next deal is going to be on these Huggies Wipes. These are usually $2.29 each. They're on sale for $2.19, but there is a 50-cent Kroger digital on these Huggy Wipes, and I was really excited about these because I haven't seen these. These are the cucumber wipes, and I can't wait to take these to the pool with us this summer when we're hot, kind of cool off. But yeah, 50 cents on these, and these can be done, this deal can be done up to 5 times, so I picked up 5 bags of these Huggies Wipes. The next deal is another of those weekly digital deals that can be done up to 5 times. You can either do the Schick or the Skintimate shave gel. These are usually $3.29. They're on sale for $2.99, but there is a weekly digital deal for $1.47. So you can scan that QR code at your store or just look on your app for these, and it will make these $1.47. You can do this up to 5 times on the Skintimate or the Schick shave gels. The next is a really great deal. I got this deal better here at Kroger than I did at Walmart. So this Nivea body wash, moisturizing body wash, they're usually $5.89. They're on sale for $4.99. You're going to use this $2 coupon. That's going to bring it down to $2.99. And then there's a $2 Ibotta rebate that can be done up to 3 times. So with the coupon and the Ibotta rebate, it's going to make each of these just 99 cents, and you can do it 3 times. So I picked up 3 bottles today. My daughter's going to be very excited about the next deal. This is the Super Pretzels. She loves these things. These are $2.79. They're actually cheaper here at Kroger than they are at Walmart. So the Super Pretzels are $2.79. We have these dollar coupons, and they don't expire till the middle of May, so I was really excited about that. After using that dollar coupon, it brings it down to $1.79. Then there's a 50-cent Ibotta rebate, making these just $1.29, and these pretzels can be done up to 5 times in a transaction. Next thing is going to be on this Freschetta pizzas. These are usually $5.79. They're on sale for $4.77. However, there's a weekly digital coupon deal that brings them down to $3.77. So you can pick up 5 of these in one transaction for $3.77. So another Kroger digital. Make sure you clip that weekly digital coupon in the app. The next deal is going to be a moneymaker. This Oikos yogurt is $1.25, but it's on sale 10 for 10. If you just buy one, it will still just be $1. You don't have to buy all 10 of these yogurts. Now, Ibotta has a rebate on their app for $1.25 back on one. So this would be a 25-cent money maker on this. And this can only be done one time. But be careful. Make sure you scan in the store. Don't get the 000. Make sure you get the blended yogurt. The next deal, I'm going to have to go back to the store and get it later because they were all out. But the Purex laundry detergent is $5.19. It's on sale for $4.99. There is a digital coupon that can be done up to 5 times for $2.50. So this is a high-valued coupon. It's going to bring these Purex detergent down to $2.49, and it can be done up to 5 times in one transaction, and that's probably why my shelf was cleared.